In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a system of equations by graphing. And we've done this before, but I'm doing a little bit slightly more complicated version of it. And I'll show you all the tricks on how to do this one. So if we have a problem like this that says solve the system of equations by graphing, and we have y equals 2x minus 4, and then we have y minus x equals 1. So we start with our first equation, y equals 2x minus 4, and we know that this is the y-intercept, okay, which is located at 0, minus 4. We know this is the y-intercept because this equation is in the form y equals mx plus b, okay? So here's our y-intercept, minus 4 here, 0, minus 4, x is 0, y is minus 4. It's our y-intercept. This is the slope, 2, okay? But that's the same as 2 over 1, which equals the rise over the run. So you start from this point, from the y-intercept, go up 2, which is the rise, and then across 1, which is the run. Okay, so you would rise 2 and run 1. Okay, so if you had arrows, that's how it would look. Okay, rise 2, run 1 across. So now, and that's our point. So now we could draw a line to connect the 2 points that we've made, our y-intercept, and then that's where our slope is. So now we can connect the 2 points with a line. Now we can plot y minus x equals 1. So we need to get this into the form y equals mx plus b so that we could more easily plot it. Okay, so that equation becomes y equals x plus 1. So we moved minus x over. When you move something over the equal sign, it changes sign to plus x, okay? So when you move the x over, it changes sign. So now we know this is our y-intercept, which is located at 0, 1, which is right here. We've just plotted it. And this is the slope. There's nothing here, but there's actually a 1, an imaginary 1, right? That's multiplying with the x. So we know our slope is 1, which is the same as 1 over 1. So our rise is 1 and our run is 1. So if you use arrows, it would look like this. Rise 1, run 1, and that's our point there, okay? Now we could just draw the line through those 2 points, and this is how it looks. So there is an intersection point, which is right here, okay? See that the lines intersect at 5, x is 5, and then y is 6. So they intersect at 5, 6. So the solution to this problem, the solution to this system of equations is 5, 6. There is only one point where they cross, and this is it. And that means that's the solution. And that's it. That's all there is to that type of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. And in the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.